Artificial intelligence. It's no longer a distant sci-fi dream. Today, it's real, present, and already transforming workplaces across the globe. Self-driving vehicles are becoming mainstream. AI writing tools are crafting news articles. Robots are managing warehouses. This technological leap raises one crucial, somewhat scary question for millions of workers everywhere. Is your job safe? A landmark Goldman Sachs report from 2023 estimates that in the next decade alone, AI could impact an astonishing 300 million jobs worldwide. That's about as many people as the entire population of the United States. While some careers may disappear entirely, others will evolve dramatically, reshaping how we work, earn, and live. So in today's video, we're diving deep into this transformation. Jobs already being taken over by AI, industries facing the biggest risk of automation, and most importantly, how you can protect your career in an AI-driven future. Because truthfully, this isn't tomorrow's news, it's already happening right now. Let's explore it together. When people talk about AI, they often speak as if the job losses are something yet to come. But the reality? Automation is already here and rapidly taking over industries you might not expect. Let's break down some real-world examples of jobs AI is already replacing. Retail and customer service. Walk into almost any store these days, and you'll probably see a self-checkout kiosk or be greeted by a chatbot when seeking online customer support. Companies like Amazon and Walmart have widely implemented automated checkouts, significantly cutting down the need for traditional cashiers. In fast food, giants like McDonald's have implemented touchscreen ordering kiosks, dramatically reducing human staffing needs. According to Forrester Research, AI could potentially replace nearly half of customer service jobs by 2030. These aren't just numbers, these are real jobs disappearing at an unprecedented scale. Transportation and delivery. Driving, one of the most common jobs globally, is becoming increasingly vulnerable. Autonomous vehicle technology is advancing faster than most predicted. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are investing billions into self-driving cars, taxis, and even trucks. In 2023, San Francisco officially approved fully autonomous taxi services without human safety drivers, a major milestone that signals big trouble for taxi drivers, rideshare drivers, and eventually even long-haul truckers. Manufacturing and warehousing. Factories and warehouses have long been hotspots for automation, but AI has accelerated the trend dramatically. Tesla's famous gigafactories now use sophisticated AI-driven robots to assemble cars with remarkable precision, significantly reducing reliance on human labor. Meanwhile, Amazon operates over 750,000 robots in their global warehouse network, handling tasks from sorting packages to managing inventory, roles previously filled by human workers. Now that we've explored the jobs already feeling the pinch, let's zoom out and consider which industries as a whole are most vulnerable to AI disruption. High-risk industries. Administrative and data entry. These roles are highly susceptible as AI can outperform humans in speed and accuracy. Accounting and financial services. AI models like GPT-4 now analyze financial data and predict market trends, replacing many entry-level finance roles. Legal and paralegal work. AI legal research platforms now draft documents faster than human paralegals. Medium-risk industries. Creative jobs. AI like ChatGPT writes articles, while tools like Midjourney generate visual art. Though human creativity remains unique, some tasks are becoming automated. Journalism. Major outlets like Forbes use AI to write data-driven stories. Medical diagnostics. AI can spot medical conditions with accuracy comparable to human specialists. Low-risk industries. Skilled trades. Construction, electrical, plumbing. Physical skills requiring human judgment remain safe. Healthcare and therapy. Roles involving empathy and personal connection are less likely to be replaced. AI development and robotics engineering. The very experts creating AI will continue to thrive. The good news amid all these changes? AI isn't just destroying jobs, it's also creating entirely new opportunities. This reinforces to humanity that artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer a distant concept. It's here, reshaping industries and redefining careers. Recent insights from Bill Gates highlight the profound impact AI will have on the job market. While many roles face automation, Gates identifies 3 professions that will remain indispensable: coders, energy experts, and biologists. 1. Coders, the architects of AI. Despite AI's advancements in generating code, Gates emphasizes that human programmers are irreplaceable. AI lacks the precision, adaptability, and problem-solving skills required for complex software development. Human coders play a critical role in debugging, refining, and advancing AI systems, ensuring their reliability and effectiveness. 2. Energy experts, navigating complex systems. The energy sector's intricacies present challenges that AI alone cannot manage. From developing sustainable strategies to responding to unpredictable global demands, human expertise remains vital. Gates highlights that while AI can enhance efficiency and provide analytical insights, human decision-making is irreplaceable, especially in crisis management and long-term planning within the energy industry. 3. Biologists, pioneers of scientific discovery. Biological research requires a deep understanding of complex living systems, ethical considerations, and innovative thinking, areas where human scientists excel. Gates points out that AI can assist by analyzing data and identifying patterns, but the formulation of hypotheses, experimental design, and interpretation of nuanced results necessitate human intuition and creativity. While AI is set to revolutionize many aspects of work, these insights from Bill Gates underscore the enduring value of human expertise in fields that demand complex problem-solving, ethical judgment, and creative innovation. As we navigate this AI-driven future, focusing on developing skills in these areas can help future-proof careers and ensure meaningful contributions alongside technological advancements. How to prepare. Build strong human skills like creativity, emotional intelligence, and problem-solving. Keep learning continuously through platforms like Coursera and MIT OpenCourseWare. See AI as a tool to enhance your work rather than replace it. The AI revolution is here, reshaping industries and redefining careers at lightning speed. While change can be frightening, it also offers tremendous opportunities, especially for those who remain flexible and proactive. Now, it's your turn. Is your job safe from AI disruption? What new skills are you currently building? How do you feel about working alongside AI? Let's discuss it below in the comments. And don't forget, subscribe to Click Future and hit that notification button to stay ahead of all things AI, tech, and the future of work. Thanks for joining us at Click Future, where the future is always just one click away.